This project takes us inside Drew's family residence in New York City. He and his wife admired our work on YouTube and wanted that same approach for their apartment. For the design style, Drew said, "I envision a Japandi style that exudes the ambiance of a coffee shop." In this video, we'll show you how we designed the living area with a gym corner, dining, guest area, and foyer, making 36.17 square meters. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and reach us via email or WhatsApp if you need interior help. The strategy was to create a Japandi-inspired flow, much like the atmosphere of a modern coffee shop. We started by reworking the flow, ensuring each zone feels distinct. Our strategy relied on three key pillars: natural materials, layered lighting, and greenery. Warm wood finishes and soft neutral tones formed the foundation, creating harmony throughout the home. Then, we also considered the thoughtful touches, like accent details and styling. This way, every decision stayed true to the Japandi calm cafe vision, while remaining practical and budget-conscious. We start with the living area, where it sets the tone for the entire home. Drew's family wanted the living space to feel open yet calming, so the design begins at the ceiling. Around the edges, cove lighting with warm LED strips creates a floating effect. A modern decorative chandelier introduces sculptural interest and diffused light. The main wall is treated with wood slat panels in curved cutouts, highlighted by concealed backlighting. This feature introduces depth and rhythm. Panels like these cost $12 to $18 per square foot. For Drew's family seating, a neutral Japandi sectional sofa anchors the seating area, ranging $500 to $700 with additional softness given by pillows and throws. At the center, a wood-round nesting coffee table was chosen with simple accessories on top. For an alternative piece, this rectangular center table that doubles as storage is also a great choice. The main furniture is grounded by a woven neutral rug, making warmth underfoot while Drew relaxing in the living. If he's having a guest, this curved lounge chair gives comfort, found at Article or CB2 for $200 to $300. A round marble base side table allows to function as both a display surface and a convenient spot. To soften the space, a tripod floor lamp provides warm ambient light, while tall indoor plants add natural texture. One of the additions was the hanging greenery shelf suspended from the ceiling. These brings natural atmosphere, echoing Drew's love for the ambiance of a coffee shop. His biggest request was a gym space, a way to combine family relaxation with wellness. To make this work, a modular mirror was added, expanding the room visually while serving as a functional workout backdrop. Modular panels from Amazon cost $220 to $300 per set. To keep the space organized, a compact storage cabinet with a countertop hiding smaller gear inside. The setup balances compactness with versatility: adjustable dumbbell set, kettlebells, and exercise ball with a yoga mat that rolls neatly. A round poof stool was included as ideal for rest between workouts or as a stretching perch. This version now blends Drew's personal requests and vision into the design, so the realistic all-in estimate for this living plus gym space would be a minimum of $2,400. Drew said, "For the dining, I want to feel warm and inviting with open shelf divider for lightness between the dining room and adjacent zones." We'll incorporate his request, and now first start by choosing the right furniture. A solid wood rectangular dining table with clean Japandi lines, available for $200 at West Elm or Wayfair. Surrounding it, 4 upholstered dining chairs bring comfort and style, costing $120 to $180 each. If you prefer having ceiling light, a Japandi-style pendant light is perfect for you. Storage is one of the priority for Drew. The storage with counter was designed to work as both a practical unit and a visual feature. The counter features a quartz laminate surface with slatted details. Then, the close cabinetry was kept in a matte white panels with underlighting strips, while the open shelves designed with styling accessories. This reinforces Drew's coffee shop-inspired vision with an estimated cost of $850 to $1,100. For another design and function, a long built-in bench runs beneath the window covered with neutral blinds. It's perfect for smaller apartments. To finish it up, here's Drew Request, a shelf divider with a slim black metal frame and natural wood shelving. This kind of open bookshelf partitions typically cost $350 to $500. Now, this area feels more functional for everyday living, ranging under $2,000. We'll create an area where his guests feel both at home and impressed. One of the solutions is an accent wall in a light wood paneling with subtle vertical grooves styled with a framed art piece with built-in backlighting, turning the wall into a focal point. A compact sofa bed in white finish, designed with squared arms and neutral cushions. By day, it's perfect for lounging. By night, it transforms into a sleeping solution for guests, grounded by the light-patterned rug. For the space to doubles as a lounge or workspace, a floating desk with a slim upholstered chair was included. Desk and chair setups like this cost $200 to $350 from IKEA or CB2. Drew wanted a detail that combined comfort, storage, and privacy all in one. That's where the bench with glass door shelving came in. This makes the space practical and decorative clean look for about $500 to $700. A light curtain system was added. This allows Drew or his guests to pull the fabric across for a softer, private nook. The standout feature is the cabinet system that doubles as sliding doors. This multifunction design keeps the room flexible, providing concealed storage while also acting as a sleek partition when closed. A system like this can cost $950 to $1,400. The guest area now feels like a private retreat, perfectly reflecting Drew's goal, a space where visitors feel relaxed, amazed, and truly welcomed. He wanted this small corner to feel welcoming and aligned with the same Japandi-inspired calm that flows through the rest of the apartment. Stepping inside, the foyer greets Drew with warm wood slats along the wall, instantly setting a natural tone, with black horizontal rails with hooks for hanging clothes, hats, bags. On one side, built-in cabinetry provides hidden storage for coats, bags, and everyday clutter. It has an open cubby keeps shoes neatly, a bench with a cushioned seat doubles as a place to sit while putting on shoes, and a clear glass partition allows light from the living area to filter through while still defining the entryway as its own zone. This built-in can cost about $700 to $900 in total. With this setup, Drew's foyer tells a story right from the entrance. Organized, welcoming, and thoughtfully designed. To keep the apartment stylish, several smart design tricks were applied within a minimum budget of $7,500. Here's some pieces that elevates the Japandi interior design. Divider as design feature. Instead of building heavy walls, open shelf dividers and sliding cabinet doors acted as partitions, storage, and display surfaces. Next, the use of wood slats. In both the foyer and the living room, wood slats created rhythm and warmth. Then, the greenery as a unifier. From the hanging plants above to the potted greenery plants were used strategically as affordable accents. Together, these tricks gave Drew's apartment a stylish, cohesive look. Now the space creates a Japandi coffee shop ambiance Drew envisioned. If this gave you ideas for your own home, don't forget to check the description for product links you can use at home. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. Want to see more home transformations like this? Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.